Hi lovely people, just outside, chilling with Lily. Another very important aspect I feel of having snakes in captivity. It's not always creating just those artificial environments that we have for them. Remembering that these guys, if they weren't in captivity, this is what they'd be doing. And of course you all remember, I don't know, no, I won't say that because I haven't put the video up, but Lily wanting to go into the shade of the plants. It's pretty warm out here today, but the breeze, and I'm probably going to have issues with sound because again, you're not going over there. You can go under here because it's nice and cool. And see, she's so determined that is not where she wants to go. That is not under a plant or a bush. They know. That offers them coverage and so forth. Lily, the word is no, and I'm travelling all around with the camera. I know. No, you're not going over to the bush. Do you understand? It's a no. You can go up under the trampoline where it's nice and shady and there's a cover. And also the trampoline has changed. It is a different trampoline. My snakes have spent a lot of their time going. I'm just going to keep blocking her. And you might think, well, you're not really letting her do her thing, but I don't want her disappearing in amongst all the plants and so forth. There's no birds around that I feel are bothering her, or that she would feel threatened by. So my response to her is, you are not going into the bushes, inviting and all that they look. Oh my goodness. When Lily makes a decision, no, that's where she wants to go. No, I don't want you going there. Please. I'm going to actually, what I'm going to do, and hopefully this will deter her, I do not know, as she is trying hard to crawl off my arm. You see, I'm changing spots. Let's look at this. But I know exactly where those plants are. So we may have moved further away, but I can still go there. I can still get myself over there. Man. But yeah, getting back to the subject, this is, for me, one of the important things that you will do with your snakes is allow them to feel that grass under their belly, to come on outside and explore, and to be able to get that UVB onto them. None of my big snakes have that available in their enclosures because they get to do this. They get to come out and get some of that UV on them naturally. not artificially. My babies, though, they do have UVB. I'm not really moving the camera. I'm kind of watching her tail, because I really am wanting her to go to the bathroom. But again, it's about Lily finding that perfect spot that suits her to go to the bathroom, and not just where I plonk her down, but maybe she's going to go at this particular point. As you can see, it's been time enough where I know she's been needing the bathroom. So, you know, also for my snakes, this is vitally important to them. It means they don't have to make a mess in their enclosure, because they certainly don't want to. You know, Amaya was at her door this morning and really wanting out. So I knew, I instantly knew that Amaya was telling me she needed to go to the bathroom, and that is why she was at her door. And the moment I got her out and brought her out, she went to the bathroom, and it was, you know, quite as sunny and as warm as what it is now. What, did she get an ant on her or something, I would say? And she's rubbing it off. Did you see that? Like, get off me. You're still going? Okay. There was probably an ant there. So you see, that is all that Lily, you know, she's been to the bathroom. And now she knows I don't have to make a mess in my home, because Mum brings me outside. She will bring me outside to do that. And Amaya has already tuned into that. You know, it doesn't take them very long at all. I'm still not going to let you go in the bush, sweetie. I don't want you going in the bush. Okay? But I'm quite happy for you to go. And I know you're going to. So please don't. I know you kind of like that bush area over there to get close to before you will go to the toilet for me, hey? But, you know, the moment I brought Amaya out, it was just like 7 o'clock in the morning, guys. So, you know, I didn't pick up the camera, but I just put her up under the trampoline. You know, she is an albino, Darwin carpet, bright sun, you know, on her. I tend to like her to stay up under the trampoline, and she's quite happy to do that. And she went to the toilet. So, you know, as much as I've spoken about this part of bringing your snakes outside and the importance of it, you know, that fresh air, that grass, all that, you know, we love to get outside and smell some fresh air and get some sun on us, which we need to have. But you know, for my snakes, it's about their own respect of not making a mess in their homes. You know, respect, guys. Like, I don't know what is Lily going to feel. What are her feelings when she hasn't had the opportunity to come out and gets to a point where she's like, well, I've just got to do it in my enclosure? And what are her what is she thinking after she's done that? Like, man, you know, they stay away from it. We know my snakes would stay away from it. They don't want to be laying near their mess, because they don't have to, because I respect the fact that they let me know I need to come out and I need to go to the bathroom. So it's very, very much for me respect for these guys. And I'm going to get her, guys. I'm not going to let her keep going in. But it is. Respect what they are, what they need, and what you can do for them. But anyway, you take care of yourself, your family, your friends, your snakes, and all your animals. Ciao, guys.